In this video, you will learn how to become a notary loan signing agent in Kansas. In this video we will share with you all of the steps to teach you how to become a notary loan signing agent in Kansas. It's important to watch the complete video. You do not want to miss any step in the process. Step 1. Meet the basic requirements. The first step to become a notary signing agent in Kansas is that you will need to meet all of the basic Kansas state requirements. These are as follows. You need to be at least 18 years of age. You must be a legal resident of Kansas or a resident of a bordering state who is employed in Kansas. You must be able to read and write English. Step 2. Get a surety bond. Next, to become a notary loan signing agent in Kansas is that you will need to obtain a $7,500 notary surety bond with a 4-year term. This is a requirement set by the Kansas Secretary of State. You can purchase this surety bond from a licensed surety such as a notary bonding company, notary organization, or an insurance company. It's important to note that the surety bond is meant to protect those for whom you perform notary services, but does not protect you as the notary. You may wish to consider getting errors and omissions insurance if you need coverage for yourself. Step 3. Get a notary seal. Next on the road to become a Kansas notary loan signing agent is that you will need to purchase a Kansas notary seal. This is a requirement of the Kansas Secretary of State. You can purchase a notary seal at most office supply stores. Be sure that the seal's design complies with all of the Kansas state notary regulations. Here is information from the Kansas Legislative Sessions, KSA 53-105 regarding the seal. Each notary public must have a notarial seal, which shall contain the notary's name exactly as it appears on the notary application. The seal must include the words Notary Public and State of Kansas. This seal must be used whenever a notary performs an official act. When notarizing a document, the notary public must add to the document the date of expiration of his or her appointment. The notary public seal must be either a seal press or a rubber stamp. If a seal press is used, the impression from the seal must be inked or blackened. If a rubber stamp is used, the stamp must have permanent ink. Both the seal press and the rubber stamp must be capable of legible reproduction after copying. No seal can be used until an impression of it has been filed with the Secretary of State's office. Step 4. Submit your notary public application. The next step to become a notary signing agent in Kansas is that you will need to submit the notary public application to the Kansas Secretary of State. You will complete the notary public application form KSA 53-103. We have placed a link to the notary application below this video, or you can find it on the Kansas Secretary of State website. In Section B of the application, you will need to take an oath and sign the form in front of a Kansas notary public, and the qualified Kansas notary will also need to sign it. You will then need to have the notary surety bond company complete Section C. When you sign the application, be certain that the signature you use is the same signature you will use when you notarize documents. You will also need to place an impression of your notary seal on the form. The fee to apply is $25 and can be paid by a credit card, check or money order. Make the check or money order payable to Secretary of State. Then you will mail the completed application to the address shown on the form. Step 5. Receive your notary commission certificate. The next step on your journey to become a notary loan signing agent in Kansas is that you will receive the notary commission certificate from the Kansas Secretary of State. Be sure to look over the commission certificate carefully to be sure all of the information is accurate. Step 6. Obtain a notary journal. The next step to become a notary signing agent in Kansas is you will want to consider getting a notary journal. Although the Kansas Secretary of State does not require that you keep a journal, it's good to keep a notary journal to record all of your notary services. The journal can help to prove that you took all of the proper steps to identify the signer of a document. You can purchase a notary journal at most office supply stores or through notary associations. The Kansas Notary Public Handbook recommends that the signing party should sign the notebook. This allows you as the notary to have an example of his or her signature. Also, the following are other items you may want to record in your journal. Date of the Notarial Act. Type of Notarial Act performed. A description of the document. The signature and printed name and address of each person for whom a notarial act was performed. A description of the form of identification provided or a statement that the person was personally known to the notary. The location where the notarization was performed. The amount of fee charged, if any. Your personal notes. It's important to keep completed notary journals for a period of time. Many states require you to keep a notary journal for 10 years. Step 7. Learn how to get jobs as a notary loan signing agent. The steps up to this point were to help you become a Kansas notary public. You must first be a Kansas notary public before you can perform notary loan signing jobs. Once you're a notary public, you now need to learn how to take that and become a profitable notary loan signing agent in Kansas. To learn this, you will need to take a course that can educate you about the process. We have listed below this video one of the top notary loan signing agent courses. This course will teach you how to do a loan signing, how to get clients, the best database to use to get jobs, how to meet escrow standards, and so much more. Look below this video for the free information to get started. Note, the information in this video is subject to change. Check with your state to verify current requirements. This video is not intended as legal advice and/or state/federal notary public training. Check with your state to be sure that loan signing agents are utilized in the closing process. Always follow your state's notary laws and best practices. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel.